i3 Technologies has created another tool to make your life easier, the i3STORE. After installing the firmware update, you can find the button of the i3STORE on the home screen of your recent i3 Touch or i360 display. But what is the i3STORE? It's a tool that allows you to browse, install, and keep track of the app installations on your touchscreen. And this is what it looks like. Here you can see which apps have been installed lately. The Updates tab shows you all the apps that need to be updated, and you can update them all at the click of a button. And in the settings, you can choose to have automatic updates and determine the interval at which updates have to be installed. No more need to dive into the settings menu of each individual app to invoke an update with i3STORE.